Ani eyanokre wapomuden hu hia enunti na hu akohia sa ubehwa wo so yi wo brano ne mra mu odin ameto wo mpofri. Now permit me to introduce you to Green Select Glucometer. Green Select Glucometer from Costless Ventures. Sa fidie kitwa ya etimimpo ehwe botomi eboa ma wo wo sugar level abribia. Wona wo diabetes ana yare ahodo a emma wo sugar level esote wo brano no. Sa fidie be bo nka ye baby bia wo bia no wada wo so akohu doctor ntem na wo mo dry betimi ama blood sugar no aye pepepe. With Green Select Blood Glucose Monitoring System, you get your test results in 5 seconds. Annual 5 seconds per now results are ready. And it's suitable for persons of all age. Nane boso die, the form. More people din hu yaw. Sa upe bako ana sa upe so tukoton. Call Costless Ventures now on 0205 915 315. O fry betcha we office Ben Wagana Fine Baby na only one dija. Green Select Glucometer, the best. This advert has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
On so many instances near who say Abranti and the Dean Edika can say or can send be a far sacodia one or two things be a quack year to say beef be as would diagronia ade but ene wakansem or expressing displeasure about how Sakodia is treating him. We any ever come one send be breathing any MC Berima. Now we a Sammy Flex speaks now brother Sammy.
Charles, our brother Sammy is in the heads away. Brother Sammy, brother Sammy, I get brother Sammy, and I'm
not a regular brother Sammy. Brother Sammy,
I mean, did you come out for back now? Ombo medium to make a Sammy Flex and an ankle. Maybe Mr. Sammy, brother Sammy.
I hope say what's it this very case I may become one same.
Yeah,
Calcase say or call Abiku Santana and show so on Ninya interaction now compare no one said could be saying about Sarkodie. Calcase on a Sarkodie. Now Calcase Rezi consent to be brave. Now Sarkodie in a way make us say he's been ungrateful. Send an officer channel. Sense one or pine be so even the studio works are all starting all back up air cover say but the Sarkodie bathroom. One studio works even according to a bay move on the GR tickets in po and then the call outside and the ordinary back. I mean shows near the idea of one be now the payment and the repayment Sarkodie Eddie man. He's not really okay with that. But the video view of what you know, my boy from Oboa, Richie, the finest boy, Flex, Caress, the digital rasta, Lapiji, and I think Team Chemo, Nana Regan, so can be. Richie, oh, on my entry video, you are, you better on comedy so.
You don't want to hear his name.
Oh, wow. See, I'm one of the biggest fans of Sack. The thing is, you know, the love that I show Sack don't show that love back. And
so show love to Sack, but they don't show love back to you.
So much love. And like, you know, I feel say there are some things that there are some people you don't have to go through anybody to get to them. Yeah. And I don't think I should go through somebody to get to Sarkodie.
Do you have to go through Angel Town before you see it?
Sometimes we'll send a message, sometimes no response. Sometimes it will take a long time. You know, we are human beings.
And we're busy.
And I make us say, oh, but at least, I beg you say, me fans say, send a message. That's why he's busy. At least let him know, say, oh, Conconsam, I'm busy, I'll get back to you. Even if you can't do that, get back to him at the later time now. Why okay?
Who send me a Sack message and it taking how long as I'm not responding?
You know, I don't think that we should go on with this Sack thing. Me, I love Sack. You know, I love whatever he does, but
he doesn't love you back.
I feel like he doesn't show the same love back, and that be my pain. I have nothing against him. Me and Sack will go a long way. When nobody will take Sack to studio, I will take Sack to studio. I know him before he became Sack. So the love I have shown him, I deserve that love back. And anybody in the industry, I have put people on.
Is that why I see any Shatawari wire fine after the bottle?
Oh no. Shataro, mini Shatazi, all the hula balloon they go on with me and Shatta, it be social media. Whenever Shatta see me, the love in the show be massive. So me I feel say, you know, if the guy they feel me,
so Shatta they show you more love past Sarkodie.
Of course, for now, see industry there's no love. Let me tell you, the only person I can see.
You get love from Stonebwoy.
Stonebwoy. No, let me tell you. Apart from Stonebwoy, you know, most of these guys they laugh at you, but behind it, there is hate. So me, I they relate with Stonebwoy more than anybody. But the SARK issue, we have to really get to the point. Say, me, I have done a lot for SARK. I have done more shows. To the level say me we travel go do show for Yonki. Me now my money I take book tickets back. I didn't take them penny. I've done shows for him all over. So if you show me that respect back, nothing I want from him. Just wow. Why send him a message? Oh, make I respond. Wow. One time you're me sending the beat also wow. This beat I think say when we do this it will be better. And we did the Yakubu and it was a bang. What I say? That was love, but I think say when people get to some level, you see their real colors and Charlie. I am not scared to say my mind. Say, you know, I'm not.
Oh, you're a senior. You're a senior.
I'm not
Charlie,
happy with
you
the
are
way
keen. You are keen. You are keen long time.
That is the
you
thing.
You speak your mind.
I show love, you show love back. If you don't show me love, there's no way I will show you love again.
So now you know go show SARK love again.
You know be SARK. If everybody way they refuse to show love, you have to not show him love. What do I say? Yeah, because. My idea about that. I see.
Alright. So bloggers, I've given you the.
Oh yeah, the news there you give the bloggers.
Yeah,
but
you can't come here.
I show you love, you show me love. That is the self-acclaimed king of the streets. Still not king of the street.
A title be Hajia Encoda. Say music titles no. Yeah, share that movie. I did the year recognized by award schemes.
Okay.
And I know bet Makas okay this year he was that. The other day when they say by King of the Street he can always keep it forever.
Sure.
But whether in reality he commands the street is also another question. Maybe elsewhere he will command the street, but in reality, how is the command like? How authoritative is the command like?
All right.
Not here another thing.
Okay, boss. Any young quote straight to business.
Yeah.
Now on him all kind in me sure say. We follow.
The credit set and come away in 2 ways. First one here, the ordinary human life. I say any pa you will see a what dream be say, and I was seeing who be say me your papa anka eye say papa na me ye no so be ni bi. And no yeah the normal everyday living principles, practices I will yes. Obia expected to you upon Paco be returning the same favor. Amen. It occurs over the years or say on a Sarkodie starting anti. If I some of the details I'm shocked. Say some of the Europe tours are Sarkodie or not me trying to ticket. Echo DHA or say at a point can no be ample for Sark and co studio. Or no quacking the team in the studio. Acquiring a recording. Oh, now doing Sunday morning now, not and now feel it's okay for some 1 or 2 reasons. ABI, you need the person's strength, you need the person's presence around you to achieve something. And Madia, you feel some pain. I bet you kakra, you kakra, I can't want some kakra. But then ABI, what I say is also not ready to do. They say, obey follow due process.
Sure.
There is something we call due process. Nancy. Me mate be me made from secondary school or dance school or baha. Now na you will break him way. So beba me change so be say still no. We just have to some and person me ba ebi a mesia office or ban up be bumpy into you sir. One shall not anko ye because you are not expecting him.
Sure.
And fast here recording no matter be about our benchmia. Ube jinete watching because we are recording. Ebi abe felis na sasa me yo school na mo money gari ni shito ne ma mi puma mesra me na money ska internet office na me ntimi ra ho ene ma change kakra. Well, between Kwakese and Sarkodie, I don't know the intensity of the Kwakese can or say one or send this Sarkodie messenger. It will take days not Sarkodie reply no. I'm the blue tick neighbor more. Again, of Felisa said, or bed dealing with Sarkodie Mpa. I did occur through your friend is saying management. You see, for now, be an Sarkodie is no in life. Say Ushiana 1 on 1. it could be a different vibe.
Sure.
But on the phone level, it be understand why in life. It could be say Sako the any phone or one. Say only mu number say assume it's in their frame. It be on fa. I know so many people like that. And their decision. Maybe say I don't work with that decision because I feel I'm a marketer. I'm a promoter. It is not all the people I know who will be dealing with me forever. I'll be dealing with new people.
Sure.
So who am I to say and now from minimum number to me? Maybe it's a position different. Sack position different. Sack position open show and you're not best friend. Open feature and you're not best friend. It's on no decided say me for any unknown number or string number on my phone. You cannot argue with him. Name mum na can be person be say so the fat angel still is the response delayed. And also the fat angel there a contempt. So the fat angel the contempt should we even bother? If I saw the fat angel on a contempt, should we bother? If I see a officer no be person or rich him not the family be also. Ne banner the unipa compare me yamana. Should that be a case? No. It is still the same. It be a problem they say or the fat angel or the fat him phone the open but I know say question is according and say omo ye bibi. Dondo omo ye fine. I don't know how many times too Kwakese is expecting Sarkodie to come through for him because me also be patron say if after 17 years Kwakese is still waiting for Sarkodie to respond to him and Sana why hate there any or Juma boy or assembly papa well Ediana on your no kwa no train. And what Kwakese is saying, it is obvious say enye Sarkodie nko but Sarkodie dey no akono knowing the history.
Yes.
On this Sarkodie wo. It is so obvious you on this Sarkodie dey nko but Sarkodie dey no send your can ahye no I say like minim say Charlie me then you get vibe all of a sudden our vibe no dey flow again. What is the problem? What is wrong? Ehonama as a okasa bebe no but I still think it is like that in the game. Kwakese he still has the brand. Say Sarkodie mwana or moving on. There are cases yahu say artists be opeso ye feature feature wow but wakasa releasing him no hu say him nehu na sometimes they even come chasing you. And I think that Kwakese has the brand. The name is still tough. Onye ne nema so ene nema ne sa efa maybe Sarkodie na be treating no Charlie I want to put a verse on this. It will work. But for now, the rant there, it is allowed. Me, I keep saying that in this showbiz space, everything is allowed. Nothing is disallowed unless it is illegal. The will be illegal pay. But on the day of the interview, I can say, I just want to clear this on my chest. Yeah. And if he wants to clear this on his chest, not very final. It is allowed. Let him clear and let's move on with our lives.
What you say? It didn't actually.
Yeah. But that is okay. Let him say it and let's move on with our lives.
All right, let's move on to our life. With our lives, I mean, say, and we can hear and DBC. Anna.
Well, let's say we become. Oh, but I say we're releasing new one be. We're releasing new one be. I think say only nipa me be na le Africa.
Sarkodie angasa performance are very complain pa. E brand no some bi dudu.
Masa as areas there's no say we be at etin near masi. E bia otin ase a enye sa. E bia omontin ase enti na yesa.
Chiremu and so be chiremu.
Oh, normal. Yeah. Like I said, Kwakese I releasing new one be.
All right, so and
yeah, on the medical and Dami Crane. Yeah.
Medical
yeah, Party Rocker.
Oh, okay.
I think that's his new one.
Okay.
And why not? He should rock it. Nah, on the obeti me.
Rapping, you would say him, you didn't to be. Which is my name, you bet my.
Sack no, is here no I know say we join funu. The mobile can no. You know who eno. Sarkodie.
Me pie bonne say.
No, Sarkodie, the mobile can you know who. That guy knows like he's too focused on the ninja the more can. No, Sark is too focused. I'm telling you.
Me person back to say Aisha Modi Kotina here na or can you say bia was Sarkodie on my reply me. I feel buy rap mo be say.
Oh, on your opportunity now he respond to you. But if I say see here kwa yes I did no. Ah no, or say Friday or one release that be on.
All right, Ebia now the work of share a comeback and as a ready ABCBia. All right, so me Anna MC Berryman, I'm about for one boy, Richie the finest boy flex, currency the digital rasta, Lapiji, and Afi in Team Chemo, and not Regan, Don Bottles, Brother Sammy, the Patriot that's it.
Ebefa.
The Patriot followers on all the media, social media platforms now. And Nina Bahonoma, Sammy Flex TV, and Afi is no more juicy stories at www.sammyflextv.com and then kind Nina, our home, Patrol Bontionoma. Stay cool, be blessed, and stay safe. It is peace.